Do you have money stuck in a Paysafe payment and need to know how to get it back? Dealing with refunds can be confusing, especially with digital payments, but requesting a refund from Paysafe isn't as complicated as you might think. It mostly depends on what you paid with and why you're asking for the money back. We're going to walk through the main scenarios and exactly what you need to do, step by step. Here's the first and most important rule. If you're requesting a refund for a purchase you made, say, an item you didn't receive or a service you canceled, you must contact the merchant or the online shop directly first. Paysafe is the payment provider, but the shop you bought from controls their own refund policies and initiates that return. The refund will then typically be processed back through Paysafe to your original payment method. Now, let's talk about refunding a Paysafe card PIN balance or your Paysafe account balance. This is for when you haven't spent the money and simply want the cash back into your bank account. The process for this is straightforward. You'll need to go to the official Paysafe support page and look for the refund form or contact us section related to your specific product, like Paysafe card or Paysafe account. You'll be asked to provide key information. This includes the 16-digit code of your prepaid PIN or details about your Paysafe account. Crucially, you'll also need to provide your personal banking details, your name, email, and the bank account information like IBAN or SWIFT code, because the funds will be transferred to you directly via bank transfer. You might also be asked to attach some supporting documents, such as a photo of your ID and a bank statement. Make sure the name on your ID and the bank account match, as refunds can only be sent to a personal bank account matching the account holder. Keep in mind two things. First, a small processing fee is usually charged and deducted from the refunded amount. Second, once you submit your request and Paysafe initiates the refund, it typically takes anywhere from 3 to 5 business days for the funds to arrive in your bank account. If you run into issues, like a failed refund, Paysafe's customer service is your next stop. They can trace the transaction and help resolve any problems, which might require you to provide a recent bank statement to trace the funds. So, to summarize, for a purchase, contact the merchant. For unspent balance, fill out the Paysafe refund form with your PIN or account details and your banking information. Following these steps will ensure your request is handled as quickly as possible. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.